What is up, gamers? I am learning some VR development in Unity. And I've got an Oculus Quest 2. So I'm kind of a intro guy, but Oculus Quest 2 is just fine. And yeah, so I basically followed a tutorial online on YouTube. Let's see here. Let me pull it up real quick. From this guy. What's his name? Sorry. It's awkward. Justin B. Barnett. That's pretty great tutorial just like on how to make a VR game. And it's like an intro thing, getting a lot of things set up. So basically with Unity you have a lot of packages you need to install and like a lot of configuration just to even get to the point where you even want to put down like a really simple plane to start walking around. So for example, in like, let's see here, project settings. So down here you would see, let's see here, project manager, it's fetching, but there's a lot of, so there's XR plugin management, XR interaction tool, and then there's OpenXR plugin and Oculus XR plugin. So I had to download all those. Also when like you're in Unity, you have to on your, let's see here, how to add, oh wait, go to installs, add modules, and then you essentially have to also add the Android build support and the Windows build support. I believe the Android means you can build the VR applications for Oculus, because I think Oculus is built on Android, and then the Windows is for like PC. And then to be honest, I'm not sure about like Mac and Linux. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but that's what you have to do. So you had to install those things on into your Unity, and then within Unity, you had to install this package, this package, this package, this package, um, just to even start, right? Just to even get to the point where you're doing, even able to start building, right? Um, then what we did, what was we uh, added some things into here. So like once you add those packages, you have an XR folder. What we added was an XR origin. You can see that how it's highlighted right there. I think that's just basically your person's like camera, like your head. I believe that that's how it was described. And then we did the interaction manager, but I believe when you import the XR origin, interaction manager is already put in there. And then we did, what else? We got a locomotion system, so it's like how you walk, and I believe like how you look around. And then what else? We also put some teleportation things in, but give me a second here. So within the XR origin, what do we got? Maybe the locomotion system. We've got continuous moving and turning. So like continuous move provider means like you can move. Turn provider, you can turn with your controller. And like in VR, like if you use VR, then you know this. But if you don't use VR, you probably don't know this. Is like there's usually an option for snap turning, which is kind of like you turn in increments of degrees. So it's like this, and that like helps with like motion sickness. Continuous means like it's smooth, right? It's smooth, smooth, smooth. It's smooth. Um, and that's like more of like a normal way you'd look around in a game. Like in any normal game that you play, that's how you do it, right? But having those options is important. Teleportation provider, that's like the same thing. So like continuous turn provider and snap turn provider are pairs. The snapping is the snapping, continuous is smooth. Teleportation provider is the same as continuous move provider, but the teleportation provider is like you teleport, you're kind of like snap, while the move provider is like you're walking. So those are just some of the options that we put into the locomotion system. And let's see here. And just so you know, it automatically maps to your XR origin, which is like your head, right? One more thing is we added a cube. We added some like interactivity, so you can grab the cube, things like that. But I think it's time for me to just kind of show you what I did, like just show you in game. It's really simple, but I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna press play, and I'm gonna put on my headset, and hopefully I talk close enough to the mic. I'm gonna touch it a lot because I can't really see it. But I'm just gonna show you like really quick what I'm doing, and also like see how I'm moving it. The bottom one is the game view, and then the top one is like the development view. So like, I don't know. Hopefully that makes sense. So if I look down, but you can also see in the development move when I move my controller, right? Like kind of cool. Anyways, let me put this on and grab the box and let me show the interaction and then moving around, and we'll be done. I'll also link, if I remember, I'll link the tutorial that I used, but you could probably just look it up, right? But anyways, give me 1 second. Alrighty. I'm not sure. Oh, alright. And then where's my other one? It's over here. So with my right controller, this one, I can turn around. Yeah. With my left controller, this one right here, I can move. And so I have the continuous things moving, the continuous options, not the snapping, enabled. And then you'll notice that they're red. My little laser beams are red when they are not pointing towards something that you can interact with. But as soon as you see it go to the ground or the sphere, or not sphere, the cube, you see it go white, right? You saw it go white, and I can press the trigger to pick it up, and I can throw it. Boop! Look at that. Get over here. I can pick it up and move. I wonder if I think I can throw this off the side of the earth. Ah, I hate boxes, right? Can you see it? Can I drop off? No. Anyways, that's the little thing I did. Hopefully you found some entertainment or possibly learned something from this. Yeah. It would help me a lot if you subscribed, checked out my Patreon, because I'm using a laptop that doesn't have enough USB ports for me to even do all this development. My computer, or my laptop, my keyboard is not even hooked in. So I'd love to save up for a new computer to be able to do that. But anyways, I appreciate you guys, and we'll talk later. All right, bye.